Introducing Cricut's Flocked Iron-On, a soft, velvety texture. It's easy to weed and outlasts multiple washes for long-lasting projects sure to impress. Flocked Iron-On is perfect for t-shirts, sweatshirts, and more. Here are some of the things you'll want for this project: a Cricut cutting machine with a fine point blade, a Cricut heat press, a Cricut pressing mat, a lint roller for cleaning, Cricut Flocked Iron-On, a weeder, a measuring tape for measuring, a machine mat and butcher paper, a computer or mobile device for Cricut Design Space and Heat Guide, a blank, and a trimmer. In Design Space, click Make and mirror your design. Select Flocked Iron-On as your material. Next, place the material shiny side down on a Cricut machine mat as shown in Design Space. Load it into your Cricut cutting machine, and when your machine is ready, press go, and it will begin cutting your design. Once your design's cutting is complete, unload the mat from your machine and trim your design. Use a weeder to remove excess material while leaving your design on the liner. Now it's time to iron on your design. Place your pressing mat down and lay the blank on top, ensuring your pressing area is centered on the mat. Check the Cricut Heat Guide or app for precise time and temperature settings to iron on the flocked material. Before placing your design, preheat your blank for the recommended temperature and time. When placing the design on your blank, place it shiny side up, and then place butcher paper on top. Then apply the heat and pressure for the time recommended by the Heat Guide. After you finish applying heat and pressure, place the heat press back on its safety base. Remove the butcher paper and allow the design to cool. Once it is cool to the touch, slowly peel away the liner. And there you have it. With Cricut Flocked Iron-On, your projects will add texture and durability. To keep your project vibrant, wait 24 hours before washing. It is recommended to turn items inside out, machine wash cold, tumble dry low, and avoid bleach. We are so excited to see what you create. Be sure to visit the Cricut Help Center for more information or questions on any of our other products. Happy crafting!